So I think I am next at this point, and I just have sort of a quick update and reminder about something. So let me share my screen. I'll make my font a little bigger. So if you weren't already aware, if you go into VuFind's documentation, we have a list of current installations, which is sort of a gallery of many users of VuFind. And this is a great thing to explore if you just want to see some of the possibilities of what VuFind can do or get ideas for themes or whatever. And the only problem with this list is that it had gotten really out of date. There were some sites listed on here that were experimenting with VuFind 10 years ago and never went live with it, and a lot of things have changed. And so fortunately this year, a member of my team, Susan Turkle, took some time and reviewed absolutely everything in here, removed things that were no longer active, filled in some missing details, updated as much as was feasible by looking at the installations. So this list is now pretty up to date. Also, with the most recent upgrade to the wiki, we added a plugin that makes this whole table of installations sortable. So now you can click on any column, and then you can, for example, see all of the groupings by country, et cetera, et cetera. So really all I wanted to do was raise awareness of this feature. Thanks, Susan, for putting the time into improving it, and just put out the call that if you have a VuFind instance, take a look at this page, make sure that your listing is accurate. If it's not, you can just edit the wiki, or you can contact us and we'll get it up to date. But it's really useful to have this sort of database of VuFind users for a variety of reasons. And I hope to be able to keep it better maintained in the future than we have in the past, now that we have this solid baseline to build upon. And that's it. I will turn it over to Chris now.